Hi, this is Moni, and I'm here to show you a planner society kit that I have up for sale. And these are the papers that are in the kit. This is the first one, and if you get it a certain way, you can see the foiling on it. See those stars on there? That's really pretty. That's the first side. Here's the reverse side. It also has the foiling on it. Okay, and then there's a acetate sheet with some stars and some constellations and such. And then there's a purple one that has foiling on it as well. A lot of foiling in this kit, very pretty. And there's this side. I'm trying to show you the foiling. That's not going to pick it up. Anyway, there's another purple one. And then there's this beautiful, did we already see this one? Yeah, same one that we just saw. So there's two of those, and there's two of these. I'm sorry, I'm trying to focus. See the foiling on that? And here's the constellations on this side. Beautiful. This is the most beautiful kit she's had, I think. So there's two of those. And then you have, this acetate sheet with the constellations on it. Very beautiful. And then you have this one with the edging. Okay. You have this vellum sheet. It's a little curled right here on the edge, but it's okay. Just been taken in and out of the envelope a couple of times. And then here's a vellum sheet that goes with the flowers. And it also has the foiling on it. Okay, and then there are some die cuts. I'm going to put them right here. I'm going to show them to you. Here's this die cut. Then you have the this die cut. You have this die cut. This is different girls with different colors of hair. Let's see. And then you have this one right here. You have this one. Beautiful, beautiful set. This one here. This one here. Okay. And then in the kit, there's also a bow with some charms on it. There's a moon on it and a star. Well, this one just has the moon. Okay. And it has the ring right here where you can attach it to your planner. And then this one, if you want it to be longer. Oh, wait, I've got this one hooked on here. Hold on just a moment. I had this one hooked on something. Then there's this one here with a lobster clasp on it. And this one this is the same way. And you can put that like at the top. I'll just say this one won't work because it's a different planner and it doesn't have the whole like the travel notebook. But with travel notebook, you have your bands there. And you would put it right there. You would put this one right here, okay, on the outside where your string goes across. So there's those two. And then you have this extra one. Um, you also have a paper clip with the moon and some beads on it. Okay, very, very pretty. And then you have this one where I hit this dangle with this kind of star on it. I'm sorry. I think you get back in the camera frame here with that star on it. And you can hang this like, a lot of people with a travel notebook hang it on the bottom and have it come out the bottom and dangle. Okay. And then here is a roll of washi tape that comes in the kit. And I haven't opened it, but it does have the foiling on it as well. Okay, then you have some pockets. This pocket and this pocket here. These two pockets. You have, not that one, not that. That came out of my planner. When I took all this stuff out, you have these cards that you can cut down and use in your planner. I always save the cards that the items come in. So you have those. You have your pencil case with the pretty constellation And then on the inside it has the beautiful, which is always just the dry stuff to absorb moisture. You have your pencil case here. Okay. And then you have this pencil or pen case. It's a really neat one. A lot of people that have shirt pockets or whatever or in their purses, they like to put their pens in this. Okay. And then you have your pen. And it comes, hold on. Oh, just take it apart, just like that. And you put it back together. It does have the tip on it, but isn't that just a beautiful big pen? But it's beautiful, and it writes gorgeously. Then you have your two pieces of this is post-it notes right here. This one's a post-it notes. This is just like a memo pad that you would put in your planner. Ooh, ooh. Okay, come on, camera. Focus in. There we go. So post-its and memo pad. Okay, and then the next thing we have are, if you want to make your little folders and stuff with your list, you have your month, you have your list. These are in the hologram, today, notes, and week. And you can make your things with that. And then in this one you have the same things, but they're the purple, the blue, another blue. It looks like it must be in these die cuts here or somewhere mixed in. There's only 4 of them here. Okay, so there's these 3 of them. I'm sorry, there's just 3 of them. Then these are the various die cuts. I hope you can see them because they're really hard to for me to pick up. You know, here's a couple here, and you have this one here. You have this one here. They're really hard to see on camera unless I put them right up there. And here's this one. And then they just kind of start to repeat. You have several of the round ones, several of the constellations. You have this one here. You have this one here. And then a tree. And you put these on your travel notebook covers and such. Okay, so there's that. Then you get your, I didn't want to open it, but sometimes you can open it easy if you're careful. You don't tear the envelope. So you can use the bag for something. See, I did it. Have you used a hair dryer? A lot of times it'll come right open. But these are the stickers that come with the kit. Okay. There's like 5 or 6 pieces in here. They're all different. They're just like the die cuts. You stick them on your calendars. Okay, so that's what comes in this envelope. And then you have this right here. This is going to be hard for you to see. These are some clear and holographic stickers that you put on in your planner. Okay, you get a sheet of that, a big sheet. That's a big sheet. Okay, next you have your rows of lace, scallops. And along with the scallops, you get the bows, both colors. And then you have your scallops. This is really sweet that she put this in there. These are the glittered ones, and you've got the stars and the moons and the stars and the moons. Okay, so you have that. And then she put this right here, which are your tabs for, has the words, if you can see. Behind there are the words. You can put these for your dividers. You put them on the edge of the paper and fold them over. That's why there's 2 white squares. So you put your little label on the white part, fold it over on your paper, and you have your tabs. Okay, and then you have the another piece of something when I opened it up, probably the die cuts or something. But let me see if I can get these die cuts spread over here. Sorry. These are the box stickers, and I ordered these separate, so that will be in the price. of this. There are, let me show you, they are different. They're not all just the same. Let's see, let me open these because this is extra from the kit. I think these are like $15, $16, $17 extra. And I subscribe to that. It's like some people get more washi and other people get the stickers. These are the box stickers that you put on your calendar. You have your little washi pieces there. Then you have this